Hello, just a short video today to help you log into the Cisco Networking Academy website to look at all your courseware materials. So the first thing we need to do is to go to www.netacad.com. And from the main website, over here in the top right hand corner, we have the login button. Now if you've already got an account, great, log in, your course is ready to go. But if you've been allocated a seat token, just scroll down here to the section where it says Redeem Seat Token. Click on that and you're given two choices. You're brand new to the Cisco Networking Academy. This is the first course you've ever done. So only use this option if you've never logged into netacad.com before. It's really important that no matter what school you've been to in the past or what educational institute or wherever you've done Cisco Academy materials in the past, that you maintain your login across the different institutions, because this education history is really important for you to have with you to put on your resume to show all of the different courses you've gone through over the years. So if you're brand new, click on I'm new to the Networking Academy and it'll ask you a whole bunch of questions about your account and so forth. But if you're already logged in to Cisco Networking Academy, click on I have a null login, put in your email address, the same email that you use to log into your Academy program, and enter in the token that you've been allocated. Once you've edited those values, just click submit. And there you go. You have now been automatically added to the class that token is linked up to. All right, thank you very much and hope you enjoy your Cisco Networking Academy learning. Please remember to subscribe, tick the notification bell for new videos. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a like and add a comment with what you'd like me to make for my next video. Thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next one.